Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable touchscreen on your Sony ZV-E10 II. First of all, let's switch on the camera, then press menu and now. Okay, something went wrong. Let's open menu and then scroll to left to the sidebar, then scroll down to setup, and here we're gonna have to find touch operation. And now if you want to disable touchscreen, you have to set touch operation to off, and now the touchscreen will be disabled. To enable it, select on in the same menu, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.